Bien, llevo 9 meses viviendo en Canggu, Bali, que es probablemente de las concentraciones de nómadas digitales más grandes del mundo, así que hoy me he acercado a un coworking, un espacio de trabajo donde trabajan estos nómadas digitales, para preguntarles qué hacen para vivir y cuánto ganan al mes. Así que venga, vamos con ello. Okay, what's your name?
Stan.
Stan, where are you from?
Netherlands.
The Netherlands. And how old are you?
27.
27. And what do you do for work?
I teach businesses how to grow online on Instagram.
Okay, so you got your own agency, or you work as a freelancer, you work as an employee?
No, I have got my own agency.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and what did you choose to live the nomadic lifestyle?
It's been a dream of mine my whole life, so I had to work on it really hard. I started out as a photographer, and then I grew my social media to 80K in the past 5 months. And so much people who were like, how did you do that? How do you grow so fast? And now I help other businesses do the same.
Okay, for how long you've been a nomad? It seems like for a bit, right?
Not like a month now, to be honest. I just started out. Yeah.
Okay. And what did you choose Bali? Either for living or for visiting? Do you like it so far?
Yeah, I love it. I was comparing it to Thailand, and I love it here so much. It's all like-minded people. You can learn. I meet like the biggest entrepreneurs I've ever met and the most inspiring people. And I feel like it's the first time I actually met my community that I was looking for a really long time. People who inspire me, people who do the same things like me, people who can do stuff together, and we can like in a small way change something in the world and do something.
Okay, that's really nice. And what advice would you give to someone that wants to start living as a digital nomad? Like some challenges that you face throughout these months?
Yeah, so it's scary to put yourself online, but it's definitely worth it. I'd say do everything about it. Learn from other people. Like learn from YouTube. Actually give 100% of yourself and try to do it for yourself. Take more action than speaking about it.
That's a good one.
Yeah, always do stuff and then speak about it online, I would say.
Okay, really good. And then last question, you don't have to answer if you don't want, like roughly how much do you make a month?
I just started, so not so much. I think 4,000, something like that. 4,000,
man. With that, you live in Bali like a really good life.
Yeah, but it's inconsistent. Like I'm not, like I just started out.
Okay, so thanks for your time and for answering these questions.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Talora.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from France.
You are from France,
yes.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a social media marketing manager, which is, yeah.
So as a freelancer, you work as a freelancer or as an employee?
As a freelancer for now.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, that's really cool. And why did you choose to live as a digital nomad?
Because I thought it was the best combo to travel and work at the same time, and I felt it was more adapted to my way of living and what I wanted, and I feel more creative as well when I'm working like abroad. So yeah, that was.
Okay, that makes total sense. And what did you choose Bali like to live?
It was actually not my choice at the first place. This is not a place I was planning to come. Bali came to me for work. So yeah, I just came in and I'm just really excited about everything that I'm discovering. So yeah, I didn't choose Bali, Bali chose me, I think.
Okay, that's really cool. Pues tenemos aquí a un español, ¿cómo te llamas?
Álvaro, tío.
Álvaro. ¿De cuántos años tienes y dónde eres?
23, de Tenerife.
De Tenerife. Y bien, Álvaro, ¿a qué te dedicas?
Marketing digital, tío, básicamente. ¿Sabes?
Vale, gestión de ads, SEO,
redes sociales, tío.
Gestión de redes sociales.
¿Sabes? Y potenciar cuentas de los demás. O sea, al final llevar al siguiente nivel a lo que son, pues, grandes figuras. Entonces, pues, tío, reventándolas, ¿sabes? Prácticamente los número uno, no solo en España, sino en el mundo, tío, ¿sabes?
Qué bueno, qué bueno.
Hace poco crecimos una cuenta en 28 días, tío, de 0 seguidores a 110.000 que tiene hoy, tío. Llevamos 32 días con...
¿Una cuenta de Instagram?
Sí, tío.
Qué bueno.
Sí, tío.
Qué bueno.
De un cliente y demás.
¿Y trabajas como freelancer? ¿Trabajas como empleado? ¿Eres el dueño de esta agencia?
Pues ni idea, tío. O sea,
¿Ni idea?
No, que va, no. Básicamente para mí, ¿sabes? Para mí, con mi equipo, tío. Sí.
O sea, que eres el dueño de esta agencia de marketing. Ah, vale. Qué bueno. Y bueno, ¿por qué decidiste así venirte a Bali y empezar a vivir como
Pues
nómada?
tío, pues estaba en Miami, me encontré ahí con un amigo, nos juntamos, yo siempre había querido venir aquí, tío. Y aquí estamos, tío, vine para acá con él, para Bali, he venido pues con la idea de estar 2 semanitas más o menos y al final pues me voy a quedar aquí una temporada larga porque ya ves que esto es el paraíso, tío, ¿sabes?
Sí, se vive
aquí
bien.
se trabaja bien, se come bien, se vive bien. ¿Sabes?
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Y bueno, por último, puedes no decirlo si no quieres, más o menos cuánto estás haciendo al mes con tu agencia de gestión de redes sociales. Puedes decirme un rango, o sea,
Que son muchas cosas, tío, no solo esto, ¿sabes? También estuvimos con una agencia de manejo de OnlyFans, o sea, son muchas cosas, tío. Pero si quieres te puedo decir, ¿sabes? Más de 5 cifras, ¿sabes?
Más de 5 cifras
Sí,
mensuales.
sí,
Qué
sí.
bueno. Qué bueno.
Sí.
Pues tío, muchísimas gracias por responder
Oye,
la
nada,
pregunta.
tío, nada.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Amir, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Where are you from originally?
I'm originally from Bosnia, Herzegovina, from the capital city Sarajevo.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
23. And what do you do for work?
I'm working as a software engineer in the safety wing.
Okay. And so you are an employee, not a freelancer. You work as an employee for them.
Yeah, I'm a contractor for safety wing, actually, a contractor. Yeah.
And what did you choose to live the nomadic lifestyle?
Why I did choose to live a nomadic lifestyle? It was the wish my whole life. In my society, people not traveling so often, and I was always searching for the people online who are traveling and trying to get their experiences. I was watching adventures movies, I was reading adventures books, and my whole life wish is actually to go to some new adventures. So that was something that made me to live nomadically, and the last 3 years I'm living nomadic life.
Last 3 years, you said?
Yeah, last
Man, that's
3
a
years.
lot of time traveling.
Yeah, but actually I'm traveling like at least for 1 month per country. I'm not like going for 7 days or something. I'm really trying to see the culture, to meet the local people, to understand how they think, what they do, how is the life in that country, and it really excites me.
Okay, how do you like Bali so far? It's like
Bali.
the place in the world in which there's more digital nomads. How do you like it?
Yeah, I would recommend to all digital nomads Bali because there's so many co-working, co-living spaces. It's so beautiful. The nature is amazing. There's so many things to see, to explore the culture. It's amazing place for the nomadic life. Especially like we can see just this place where people are co-working. It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to.
Okay, and what advice would you give like to someone that want to start living as a nomad or start a remote work? What advice would you give them?
What advice would I give? It's a hard question. So, advice, what would I give them is, it's not actually easy to work remotely. Sometimes you don't know, are you working for like living remotely or you're living at your job? But I'll give them advice to try hard, to try to find the balance between the job and between the life. Also, to push themselves above the limits, to go out of the comfort zone, because it's the most important things when you live nomadically. You're going out of the comfort zone every day.
Okay, so man, thanks for your time and thanks for answering the questions.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. So, okay, what's your name?
And my name is Anna.
Anna, where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
From Japan. Okay, and what do you do for work?
Like I'm a graphic designer, and I do like web design, and I do consultant as well to the Japanese company.
Okay, so you are an employee, freelancer?
Freelancer. I'm a freelancer.
You work as a freelancer?
Yeah.
Okay, and for how long you been here in Bali?
Just for a few days for now, but I'm gonna stay for a month. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And what did you choose like to live as a digital nomad?
Doing really great because I really like to continue to travel around the world. So I've been traveling for 4 years. I'm traveling around the world, like to Australia or to Southeast
You've been traveling
Asia.
4 years.
4 years,
That's
yeah.
cool. That's
So,
really cool.
yeah, being freelancer, really nice, really good. Yeah.
Okay, and how do you like Bali so far?
Yeah, Bali is an amazing place. Like lot of nature, animals, yeah, and the people are so nice. I love the culture because they like really respect to the nature and they have like really open-minded. Yeah, and yeah, I really like it so far.
So would you recommend people like to work as a freelancer as you do?
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's a good question. Like, yeah, if you wanna be like independent, like from the society, or yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and last question, you don't have to answer it if you don't want. It's like more or less, how much do you make a month as a
Like
freelancer?
as a freelancer, I can answer like Japanese.
You can give it like a range or a bracket.
Really depends on like the time. Normally I can make maximum 100. Oh, let me see. Like $3,000.
$3,000
The minimum, like kind of minimum.
Okay, that's like the minimum that you
But
make.
if
That's really
I
good.
like do like doing really great, maybe yeah, triple or something like that.
Okay, so between $3,000 and $5,000.
Yeah, 5,000.
Okay.
It's good. Yeah. But
Okay,
always
that's really
like
good.
changing,
Yeah, with that
all
you
the
live in
time.
Bali
Yeah.
really comfortably, right?
Yeah, but in Bali it's getting so high price. You know?
Yeah, it's getting expensive.
Yeah, I've been here like 4 years ago, but they changed a lot. Yeah, the prices and yeah, it's so fancy, but yeah,
Okay, so thank
Yeah,
you so
always
much
like
for
that.
sharing
That's
all these
okay.
questions. Thank you so much.